Hi friends, today I'm training on a new kata. This time it's shortest code series jumping Dutch act kata. In this, this is one of the really strange kata, one of the strangest, at least what I have read so far. And basically it is about like suicide. So the premise goes like that. If a person jumps off a building, and if he goes if he decides to jump from a floor more than 6, he goes like and then ba, and that's it. If he jumps from like 6th floor or less, it goes like a shorter then pa, and then again. So he does not die immediately, and his final voice was I'm not making this up, that's the description of this kata. So we are solving this one. Okay, so I hope that you are excited. I definitely am, and let's start with this solution. I'm not changing any tests. There's no reason for that. There are lots of tests, and rewriting them with with chai. The chai expect assertion wouldn't like give us a lot of value. So let's jump straight to the solution, and I'm going to expand it and delete everything. Let's start with the basic boilerplate. I'm naming floor as F, right? So first of all, the rule, the description goes like that. If he jumps from a floor which is less or equal to 1, you can safely return nothing, because like nothing happened, okay? So to save one character, I am just doing less than 2, because less than or equal to 1, since they must be integers, or they supposed to be integers, just is less than 2. And then I am returning nothing, okay? Else, and we can make it easier, it's a bit more easier to read, let's structure it like that. Else, so this time it means it must have these a's, right? Like before the crash. So to get them, my idea is just to use an array and to have this array length of f. Okay, so I am creating a new array right here. I am splitting that this by the way, this array f, it does not create like normal array. You cannot use it, so you have to split every single element like so. That just some weird JavaScript thing. I'm not, I have to read more into that, why it works like that. But never mind, it works like that, so that's what you got. You have to use this syntax. So now I want like to map it, right? To map it and have every single element to be this like so, right? And I'm going to immediately join it. And I'm joining them with this single space. Then, you know, I have an idea. What if we are not mapping over it? What if we would immediately join, since we don't have like anything, let's immediately join it with this value. This way we save this whole thing. We don't need this whole thing, we save it. We don't have to use map. Basically join inserts what we need for us. All right, so then after that scream, we have the crash, and crash is this bar. Finally, we have a check. So if floor is greater than 6, then that's it. That's basically it. If floor is 7, that's basically it. He's dead. If it's not, if it's 6 or less, then I'm adding this final scream, and now it's over. Now it's like really over. This final scream, and it's final over. So let's see if that works. And looks like all the initial tests have passed. Let's try to run the official test. Let's see if they pass. And it's executing, taking some time. It's taking a lot of time. Let's wait. And good news, it has passed. The solution is correct. So I hope that you have learned something from this kata. I can't say that I really liked it. It's very strange for me. It's not really my thing to think about it. But anyway, it was an easy, fast kata with just, you know, this was like a good idea to replace. Let's not have map. Let's have this. Let's join it. That was like a bit of a hacky way to do that. Also, the last section there, we are just checking if we are adding anything at the end. We are just checking that at the end. Should we add something, or should we leave it as is? Okay. So that's all there is to this kata, and I hope that you liked it, and see you in the next kata. Bye, friends.